Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by disconnecting the headset and laying it face up on a clean surface. This prevents damage and keeps screws visible. Next, remove the detachable cable and foam pads so you can access the plastic ring. Use a fingernail or a plastic pry tool to lift the outer ring. Slow, even pressure avoids breaking clips. Once the ring pops, set it aside in your parts tray so nothing gets lost before you move to the internal retention clips and screws. You now expose the cushion assembly and possibly a single retaining screw or clip. Remove it and keep hardware paired. Carefully lift the old cushion and its foam. Note how the foam seats against the driver and where tab notches align. For the new earmuff, align its inner ring with the housing tabs, then press evenly until you hear the clips engage. This ensures a snug acoustic seal. Make sure the foam and fabric sit flat so the driver isn't pinched and sound remains consistent. Finish by reseating the outer ring and pressing around the circumference until each clip clicks. This restores the pressure seal and comfort. Plug the cable back in and run an Audio Plus mic test. Play voice and music to confirm clarity and no rattles. If you hear distortion or uneven bass, make sure the cushion is centered, no foam is folded, and screws are snug. If problems persist, detach and inspect for broken clips or misaligned tabs before reassembling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.